Hi guys, I'm Yaiza Melero. Welcome to VdanceClub. This is my beginner's course, and in this class, we will work basic movement. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna work like a mirror. We start with my left, okay? And you start with your right. We start transfer my weight side to side, okay? No with the same position, okay? My legs always change, okay? And go only with my knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now we're gonna work with my hips, okay? Be careful with your hips because don't go side to side. Go up, always go up. It's very important, okay? And now go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Number 3, we go with my torso to the diagonal, not side to side, because when I work diagonal to diagonal, my movement is much bigger, okay? And go with my torso, relax your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Now we're gonna tip with my shoulders. When I go to diagonal, my shoulders go forward. Okay? My arm always stay relaxed. Okay, it's a movement, natural movement, no artificial. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Repeat. Remember your hips, no at the same side, okay? Always opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go back, okay? Now we start with my right. Go only with my weight. Transfer your weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go with your hips. 1, 2, remember, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go to diagonal with my torso. 1, 2, relax your arms. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last, go with your shoulders forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now with my tempo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Go. 1, 2, 3, only with my weight. Transfer 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With your hips. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Torso. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Go back. Go with your right now. And 1, 2, 3, 5. Only your weight. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Your hips. 1, 2. Go out with your arms. 6, 7. Go out with your hips. 5, 6, 7. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Your shoulders. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now we're gonna do with the music. Remember the first double time. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And later 1, 2, 3 with your time of salsa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Yes? The first with as a mirror and then go back, okay? Now, only transfer your weight. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sabes que yo vivo en un mundo raro, entre melodías
y your hips.
Para escapar.
6, 7, and 1, 2. Go up. 5, 6, 7, 8. The last. Go to the diagonal with your torso. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go with your shoulders. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And relax your arms. And now go back.
Estás removiendo
Now
el piso.
with your right. 5,
Ya me está
6,
sobrando el aire.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go with your hips. Up with your arms. 1,
Sé que estás curada de espantos
1,
y que recorriste el camino.
1, 2, 3, 4 with your torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Go with your shoulders. 1, 2. Remember, go forward. 2.
Merecemos que la uno
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now.
No dejes que tu destino
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Go faster. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Go with your hips.
Ya me está sobrando el aire.
With your torso. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders.
El hechizo de embrujarte.
5, 6, 7. The last time. 5, 6, 7. Right. 1, 2, 3.
Suénalo, mi.
With your hips. Go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Nuevamente. Parece que el destino lo quiso.
Torso.
Seguramente que sí.
And
Estás removiendo el piso.
Siento que
shoulders.
me da un calor cuando no te tengo aquí.
5, 6, 7. Yes. Okay, ladies. Remember, it's the most important, the basic movement. In the second class, we will work this movement with your step, okay? Basic step. And remember, your hips never go with the same side, okay? Always opposite with your weight. Yes? Thank you, and see you with the next class.